Professor Vince for take 2. Back at Canadian Tire. Looking for some paint for my Bluebird Campbell boat. Happens to be called Bluebird Blue. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting the Bluebird Blue or another color that may match it. Because I don't see any names on this. It just says it's good for plastic too. Now, I don't know if that's too light. I think it would be a good color. And then I need some fluorescent paint, like a neon color, glow in the dark, but I may have to get that somewhere else. I don't know if they carry it here. They've got this kind of paint here, which is kind of a fluorescent. So I don't know. I'll have to do my homework. So anyway, that's what's going on.